How do you add and subtract complex numbers? Well, it's just like adding and subtracting other numbers. For instance, if you have an x there instead of an I, the same thing happens. So you can't add i's and numbers together. You can only add your constants together and then your i's together. For instance, if we go over here, it's the same setup. The first thing you'll do is check the parentheses, because parentheses always do what's inside the parentheses first. So in this example, you can't do anything to the inside of the parentheses because the -1 can't be added to the -5i. Remember, you can only add the i's together and the constants together. But the first thing you'll do is distribute that negative on both of them. So you have a negative times a -1, which is a +1, and then the negative times a negative is a positive, 5i, and then the same thing here. So if you have negative times a -4, it's a +4, and then a +4i. Next, you'll want to group them together. So take your i's and your constants, like that, and you'll add your constants together, so 1 plus 4, and then you'll add your i's together, which is 5i plus 4i. So that's 5 plus 9i. That's if there's a plus or minus sign in between the two parentheses.